You want to bring it to the people?
Your name?
Terrence Smith.
All right. Just a moment, somebody will be with us. Oh, it's Joy Gaines. We'll wait for Joy.
I'm so sorry.
No, it's okay, Miss.
Trying to do too many things at once. Joy Gaines, Senior Assistant Public Defender, representing Mr. Smith. Your Honor, we have come to a resolution in this matter.
Okay.
It is my understanding that the people are offering that upon a waiver to circuit court, that they would be agreeable to a sentence agreement of no upfront jail time, as well as to HIDA. So you need to sign it.
All right. So he's waiving his right to a preliminary examination.
That is correct. And Your Honor, we would also like to address bond.
You understand there's a conditional bond violation.
Your Honor, it is my understanding that there was a conditional bond violation. I did ask, and it was my understanding that that was in the misdemeanor matters. In terms of the no contact with the complainant in those matters. This matter is a R&O. Mr. Smith has learned a great deal since.
Before I even go into that,
Okay,
as to the waiver, sir, you're waiving your right to a preliminary examination.
Yes, sir.
You understand that's a proceeding where the people would have to show by probable cause that the offense alleged was committed and that you committed it.
Yes, sir.
You understand you'll not have that hearing and you'll proceed to circuit court for further resolution.
Yes, sir.
People also waive their right.
Yes, Your Honor.
Preliminary examination having been waived, defendants bound over to circuit court on a single count. As to the arraignment on that, you waive formal reading, stand mute. All right.
yes, Your Honor, all those things.
Defendant having waived formal reading, standing mute. Court will enter a not guilty plea. Pretrial will be set for
23rd at 1:30 with Judge Punky.
the 23rd, 1:30 for Judge Cunky. As to bond.
Let's talk about that right now. Your Honor, and in terms of the bond, Mr. Smith has indicated that he's learned a great deal since he was with me on this matter, the last time we were in court. At that time when we were here, he was unemployed. He had not been working at all. He has since that time obtained employment at Kentucky Fried Chicken. In addition, indicates that he had
At Popeyes?
not
Just
Popeye,
asking. Go ahead.
Popeye, but he's open to applying.
No, I'm not. I'm just soliciting employment for anybody. Go ahead.
He also indicates that prior to that time, he had been drinking and he had been using marijuana. He has not consumed any alcohol or marijuana since that time. He is really trying to make change his life. We are asking that the court reinstate his bond in this matter, which was a personal recognizance bond. He does have strong family support. His mother communicates with our office fairly regularly, and he relies on her a lot for advice. And it is my understanding that domestic is no longer pending.
Well, here's your response from the people.
I just want to make sure that I'm understanding you clearly. The last violation report that I had is from June 2nd. Is that the last violation report has also?
Yes.
Yes, where he was arraigned and his bond was denied.
Yes. If that's the last violation, as I indicated to Ms. Gates, I'm going to leave this to the court's discretion. I believe you've been in over a week at this point for that violation. And I do recognize that the underlying domestic violence was absolutely confident.
Okay, but here's. On April 30th, he was before me. And he admitted to the violation, the previous violation. I took that, sentenced him to 18 days, credit for the 18 days he served, and let him out.
And
Hold on.
okay, I apologize.
I do that. I reinstated his PR bond and did that. And then within very short order, he's back. And so I get what you're saying, but I don't mind taking a chance on someone, but I already did that.
So, and I may be confused, but I thought that on that day that we were having the hearing on that we had the domestic front as well as this one, I did not.
I'm just looking at my order on this case, and my order on this case on the 30th, on April 30th, I released him, gave him 18 days, and I said he needed tether, location tracking tether prior to release. I release him, and then the only thing I can say is in very short order, he's back.
Okay.
Now he's standing, I mean.
I understand. I did think since we had both cases for you that those orders with regard to the complainant in the domestic were on that case. So with that, in addition to the things that my client has learned, he would also like Your Honor to know that he apologizes for that contact. He was in a desperate situation. As we've stated, he had just recently obtained employment at Kentucky Fried Chicken. His mother works and has been working recently overtime, and he was desperate to get a ride to work. And
Here's the problem.
Knows it's wrong.
I know he knows.
Apologize.
Problem is,
but he also
he did the other thing. At that date, I didn't have to release him on that date, and I did. And then he does something and ends right back up before. I mean, I can't keep doing it.
Mr. Smith would like to say something.
Go ahead.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. I would just, for a ride in need, I take full accountability for my actions. I understand that you've been giving me grace and giving me mercy and leniency, and I appreciate you for that. But I'm trying to change my ways, and I really am, and I hope you can really see that. I just got a job, and I really haven't been working, and I just don't want to lose this job, and I'm not trying to make excuses. And me and my girlfriend, we're on good terms. Both of my cases got dropped. I'm just trying to change, sir. And I understand that I messed up the first time. I'm just asking for one more chance.
Well, you messed up twice.
I'm just asking.
You messed up the first time. We got to a point and let you out, reinstated everything for you because you told me the same thing. You knew what your conditions were and that you would follow them.
Yes, sir.
And then the problem, so I let you out on that promise.
Yes, sir. I'm telling you.
And you messed it up. And I can't keep doing it, and I'm not going to do it. I don't mind showing grace to somebody. I don't mind giving them a chance. But when giving a person a chance, you got to take it. And you got to just, I don't think you're a bad person, but you got to do the right thing.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. Really am. I just got a job last week. I've been only was working for like 2 weeks.
Young man, I get it, but I can't. Can't do it. Motion for bond reduction denied. Bond will continue. All right. Certainly, you can raise it before Judge Cucky, and maybe she'll feel differently. All right. Thank you, court.
And our next court date is June 26th. Is that correct?
Sure.
June 23rd, thank you.
June 23rd.